Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have made a cushion cover from an old t-shirt. This is a great and inexpensive way of wanting to keep a t-shirt that meant a lot to you, maybe from your past, that may not fit anymore. It would also make a great personal gift for someone. So let's get into it. First, cut along the side seams and the shoulders so you have two pieces. Then you'll need a cushion pad. I bought this one from an online selling site for just £1. Measure your cushion and work out what size fabric you'll need. This one is 16 by 16 inches, so I needed the front piece of material to be 17 by 17 inches for seam allowance. I marked this measurement onto my fabric both length and width ways, joined the lines up to make a square and cut this out. Make sure the logo on the t-shirt is on this piece of material, as this will be the front of the finished cover. Moving on to the back piece. And yes, the logo is printed backwards on the t-shirt. For this, the width needs to be 1 inch wider than your cushion for seam allowance, and the width needs to be at least 5 inches longer than your cushion, this time to allow for an envelope style opening. For example, my cushion is 16 by 16 inches, so my back piece needs to be at least 21 inches long. Cut the back piece into two pieces approximately 3/4 of the way down. This will be your envelope opening. Turn the two pieces over and fold and hem the top edge of the smaller piece and the bottom edge of the larger piece, about 1/2 inch. Then sew where you've pinned. You'll have 3 pieces like this. With the right sides together, place the larger back piece with the hem at the bottom onto the front piece and pin around the 3 raw edges. Place the smaller piece with the hem at the top onto the front piece, right sides together, and pin around the 3 raw edges again. These two pieces should now overlap. Sew along all the raw edges. Just a tip, when you get to a corner, making sure the needle is still down, lift the sewing foot up, turn the material, and you can carry on sewing with ease, keeping the distance of the hem the same. Once finished, it should look like this. I cut off the excess corner fabric to make the corners look neater. Turn the cover the right way round and you're now ready to put your cushion in. I think it turned out really well and would immediately remind anyone of the great memories they had from their t-shirt. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.